like, you know, and they give you dirty looks when you're downstairs.
Right.
And I get it because they're free weights. I get that. But I thought.
Plus, all their mirrors are down there too.
Mr. Gorgeous is there tonight.
Oh, really? Does he you see him all the time?
Yeah, he goes like this. You know, he wears his shorts and they're cutting and he goes.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah, and he
checks his legs out.
Checks everything out, everything.
Oh my gosh.
I have 3 hands.
All right, Grandma's gonna go
Philly,
home.
wish you would stop breathing.
Don't kiss me, though. Grandma don't feel good. I think I probably might go to that outpatient clinic things
Get
to
something.
get something, but
Something like
Get an antibiotic.
but if I go, they'll want to take blood and all that too, won't they? I just had blood work done. I'm gonna call my doctor.
Down it. Hey!
I'm gonna call my doctor's office in the morning and see if she'll just call me something in.
Yeah.
get sick from
I mean,
getting
if you were
blood
just
taken.
there.
But she sees me on the 23rd.
Let's get a Z-Pack or something.
Yeah, but see, that didn't work.
Oh, really?
I was
Get
on that
zinc.
the last time and it did not.
Get zinc. Zinc's over the counter. Try that. That's a guy at work was telling me. He's like, oh, I had a cold and he gave me zinc and it cleared me right out.
I'll have to start and get some.
Just take it every day, like in the morning or something. He says it works better though, like if you feel like you're getting sick, then start taking it.
Well, that's just like Alka-Seltzer Plus.
Yeah.
You gotta catch it before you.
Yeah.
But
You gotta go to the bathroom.
and I've been talking all day long on the phone and.
Yeah, that doesn't help either.
All right, see yas.
Alright, see ya.
Bye, Charlie. Love you, honey.
Bye, love you. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make your slime not sticky. And make sure you can see my face, kind of. So, oh my gosh, the sun. Okay. Oh my gosh. Can I just do this outside? I want to do this outside. This is not a good. Oh my gosh, it's too bright. Okay. So. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna do this by the door. What? What the heck is wrong? What? There's nothing in the way of the camera. What? I don't. What the heck? Okay, there we go. Okay, so here's how you activate your slime when it's really sticky. So you just want to play with it, and if it sticks to your shirt right away, which already got stuck to my shirt, which I didn't know, it already dried. It happened like 2 minutes ago, maybe 10. So I'm also going to do a video where I play Gears of War, which can have bad words in it, but. So now, you just want to play with it, so you, just in case, and then you just want to add that much at a time. You want to make sure you also play with it and do this, knead it before you add activator, because you might have not mixed in all the activator.
Settle.
So.
Can you pick up all these shoes? You have 2 pairs of shoes out. Go put them in the closet.
Hey, what are you doing, Philly? Why do you always slip my butt? Watch out. Oh my gosh, get away. So, wish I could see you just over it, just like that.
Charlie, your other shoes, your Dobra shoes, please pick them up.
Oh my gosh. There, I picked them up.
Put them in the closet.
Okay. Now I'm back. Okay. So. fine. It's a little sticky if you saw. So that means if you can kind of see how much is coming out, you just want to have a limited. So yeah, wish I can get a stool here. A tall stool.
This last week,
Do you have homework, Charlie?
or whether it was free agency, the Browns started to overhaul that roster.
Yeah, after I do this video. And then you just want to mix it all good. Don't be like, oh, that's totally not enough. Maybe it's more. Oh, that's totally not enough. No, you don't know yet because you still want to mix it in. You can see it's so sticky, but I'm still going to mix this in. You never know. This is making me itchy. Although there's so much color in it. Let's go out. Just go. Why do people poke slime? I don't like slime, but I poke it like this, not like this. I poke it like this. Like if you have those really long nails. Like this fake nails like my sister had. Then they poke like that. And if it's still sticky, which it is, so add that much more. But if it's like super sticky, like in that inactivated at all, even when you made it, you can add a little more. I might as well like this one.
He was bringing us the images of that storm around Red Bay, and last segment looked like during the commercial break we were watching your feed, and it looked like a tornado drop out of that storm. What's the latest on this as it continues to move east?
Have some stuff that has water in here that I'm gonna put in my slime, but I guess it doesn't. So hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta go get.
What are you doing?
And then right after these, David says.
Can you push that shelf the whole way, please?
It was probably the same outside on my day. Got 4 hours. Waiting for these. That's how cold it is. Okay, so it's super cold. I need to go for a little water.
You better not be playing with water in that glue bottle again.
I'm not. It's for my slime.
At MTV, we understand you want to protect what's important to you. That's why we offer products and services to help prevent safety and security.
I've got it filled up with water. Ow, people. So, it's warm. It's so warm right now. Add lots of water, I guess. So if it's okay, that's warm. Maybe it'll just really slowly sticky it. So I'm trying to do this so it could be sticky, so I could do a video. But not too sticky because I don't want to use all this. But it's fine. I do. So I'm not going to totally use all of it. But we have more. So actually, I like putting it in there so it's easier.
Why aren't they being used in high school? Having gone through the process of injury, diagnosis, how to solve flaws in the system, I thought maybe I could actually use this to help athletes.
So it's getting stickier. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay, so it's sticky. Okay, so we'll see you guys when it's all perfect.
where all your Honda dreams can come true.
Okay, so I'm back, and it's really sticky.
Style for the city.
So
Brand clear for the country.
you can see.
The
Oh my gosh. So I put I use this whole thing, and I had to refill it. So yeah, this is what I got. Kind of sticky, but this water now is actually cold. Yeah. Okay, so I kind of ran out of Tide, so I ran out of Tide. So I ran out of Tide in here.
It's very, very hard.
And see, I put Tide in here. There's glitter in here somehow.
So
So let's go refill it. See you guys when I'm done refilling it. So I'm done refilling it. I decided to put it in a different bottle because I put borax water in this one, if you can kind of see the water limits right here. Yeah. And you have to make sure that the borax is dissolved in the water. And then burn yourself. Yeah. So we'll never use your hands. So I'm gonna use some more water to make it more sticky. Okay, so that wasn't too much. That's more, oh my gosh, that looks so good. Like I'm mixing it. Okay, so I'm mixing it and I'm gonna circle, and it's becoming super sticky. It's like I'm making slime. I'm not. Tide is kind of like a soap. So I'm gonna kind of show you. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. It is so soapy. So much water. Yeah, it looks like I'm making slime, but I'm not. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm in love with that. Oh my gosh. Look how cool. Okay, so it's facing on the wood. I don't know if you guys can see better, but I'll do a different aiming